Gonna cook again, YouTubers, and for some reason I can't find the little post for my GoPro to put in the tripod. So we're gonna start this. I'm gonna make a couple of these. I brought this from the thrift store. This is the larger perfect tortilla baker thing. So I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes and away it goes. And I'll do a couple of these. This is super easy. Now that was 10 minutes. I'm going to let it cool and then I'll do another one. You know, I don't want to stick my hand in there and burn myself. There's a second one in. And back in. Cook time. We'll do 9 minutes. Just to be different. Away it goes. I got to find that darn thing. I don't know what you call it. Post. The fastener. Whatever that thing holds the GoPro into the tripod. I know I brought 2 of them with me. It's not easy being disorganized. Everybody thinks I'm organized when I make these videos of trying to be organized. It's because I have to try. Now that's that, and we'll continue on to the rest of this meal. We're going to try to do this weird. I obviously found the little post for it. And we have aluminum foil. I got a little bit of Pam left in this. We got these corn meatless nuggets. These are actually pretty good. I'm gonna put them on here. See how many we can get on there. Hopefully the whole box. Maybe, maybe not. Gotta get creative. Now, they're fake meat, so that oftentimes means the flavor isn't as great as you would hope. So I'm gonna try to do some stuff about that. So, put that on. The box says $4.25 for 15 minutes. This only goes to $3.50. So I'm going to do 8 minutes and then I'm going to flip them. And while that's cooking, I'm going to show you what else we're going to do. It's a whole process I'm trying today, because this is going to be a veggie meal. All right, which I say far too often. So to try to give it some flavor, I found this Hunt's Original Barbecue Sauce. It was on sale, like super cheap. And I'm sure it doesn't taste great, you know. But I can use it as a base, basically. Vinny was nice and calm. I come back in, he stays calm. And now he's got to get in my way. Don't you, Vin? So now we're going to put some of the barbecue sauce in this bowl. And we're going to put a lot more sriracha sauce in this bowl. I'm going to mix it up. Blend it. So I'm going for like a spiced up barbecue a little bit. Give it a taste. I'm going to give it a little bit more barbecue. That's what I'm talking about. I could mix a lot of other things in here, but I'm not gonna. Yeah, I like that. Because we're doing more with it. And this, people are always saying, put a wet something or other. I don't need to put a wet something or other there. That's just, I never saw the point in putting wet. I put a non-slip pad under a cutting board and it doesn't move. And when it does move a little, it's never really bothered me. But these have rubber things on them, so this cutting board doesn't move. People also asked about this knife. I was real happy with this knife. Found it at the thrift store for 69 cents. It's just a cheap plastic handle. It's a cheap knife. It is nothing fancy, but I like it. Got some onion. And cut some onion off. Don't need a lot. Oh, it cuts really nice. All right, try to put it all together. I know, man. All right, there's the onion. There's gonna be more stuff in here. We'll be right back with more stuff. All right, now we're gonna flip. 9 minutes. Now we have an apple. This is Angel Crisp, I think it is. This is also a thrift store, apple core. I clean the apple beforehand. I'm gonna eat an apple. Oh, that's good. That's really good apple. All right, I'm gonna cut the apple down, some bite-sized pieces. Don't need a lot of it, maybe just a couple. There's a good one. I will have to make, Vinny's having a hard time right now, so I'll say GoPro stop recording. All right, a little bit more. And I'll get rid of those out of the way. I'll be right back. All right, I got a seedless cucumber. I'm gonna peel it. All right. And now, we're gonna cut the cucumber down. That should be a good amount of cucumber. There's a couple more in there. And I have a hard-boiled egg that I brought. Hopefully. I hadn't hard-boiled an egg in a while, so I hard-boiled a few. Hopefully they came out right. So this is a veggie meal, but there's going to be egg in it, so I guess it doesn't qualify as veggie. Let me peel this egg. I hard-boiled this perfectly. It's not hard to hard-boil an egg. All right, there's a hard-boiled egg. Gonna cut it. Yes, we're making a salad. If I didn't already say. Oh, perfect timing. Let me flip these. This is that, that's the new one. And this lid appears to be a little loose. Now what I'm gonna do is take this mixture. Oh, I think I have the right thing in here, actually. Yeah, I got a silicone brush. I don't know if you're in there. I'll move you right there. There's a silicone brush. More cleanup than I like to have in the winter, but que sera, sera. There we go. 3 or 4 more minutes. There's one of the taco bowls. I'm gonna build it. Got some garden salad there from Aldi's. I'm an iceberg fan. I know a lot of it's not foo-foo enough for most people, but I'm gonna put some cucumbers in. I'll put some apples in. More cucumbers. Put a little bit of egg in there. A little onion in there. More stuff from Aldi's. Well, not everything from Aldi's. This is cheddar jack cheese. Got to put some cheese in it. So the eggs and cheese say this is not vegetarian or vegan. But you're close enough for somebody who's not a vegetarian or a vegan. We got croutons from Aldi's. This is raspberry vinaigrette. Shake it up real good. There's only a minute left on these. We got to flip them soon. All right. Woohoo! We're living good. Put some more of the lettuce on there. Because you got to do stuff in layers. There's nothing worse than just having dressing at the top. More cucumbers. Apple. Because, yeah. Or the egg. Onion. You don't need to see me flip them, do you? You can trust me that I've flipped them. All right, we're still recording. Where are we at? Oh, more croutons. Some cheese. All right. Woohoo! Or the dressing. Now, I'll clean off this good barbecue sauce. And dive in. There's some apple and the lettuce. Eggs and lettuce. Crouton. Very good. Very, very good. All right. Yum, yum. You don't have to eat poorly in an RV, even in the winter. Mm-hmm. Doesn't that look good? I'm gonna eat one. Those are fine. Plus, I got sauce I can left. Hot sauce I can still use. That's good living, YouTubers. You deserve a picture and a flyover. Fake chicken nuggets with good barbecue sauce and sriracha. There's a nice salad in a taco bowl. All the stuff I showed you. There's lettuce, there's eggs, there's onion, there's cucumber, there's fresh, nice, crisp apples, croutons, a nice raspberry vinaigrette, and some cheese. That's a pretty good meal, I think, YouTubers. And I hope you have a great and wonderful day.